shaft rotation device, and this is basically we are observing the whirling of a shaft in this experiment. The shaft is fitted in these two bearing assemblies, and this shaft is rotated with the help of this motor. And in order to read the RPM of this motor, we have a sensor over here which further goes through the electrical panel, and through this display we can get the value of the RPM at that particular instant. To control this RPM, we have a knob over here. We can either increase or decrease the RPM through this. And for this, observing the whirling of a shaft, we have different fixings and conditions over here. Currently, fixed bearing is fitted over here. In this, the joint is unable to move. It is fixed in a proper manner. The other condition we have over here is this bearing behaves as a hinged joint. So it has a multiple degree of freedom. Whenever it is placed inside this cavity, the shaft is allowed to rotate in multiple degrees. So it will act as a hinge joint. So the two ends will be, one is fixed and other is hinged. So we will be getting three combinations with us. The both ends will be fixed, one is hinged, and both ends hinged. In order to install the other bearing assembly, we have a platform over here, and this assembly can be loosened, can be shifted, translated over this platform by loosening this check nuts, and the other accessory can be fitted easily with the help of a Allen key provided with this experiment. We can easily loosen and tighten with this easily. The other materials, test specimens provided with this are the MS shafts of different dias. The three different dias shafts are provided with this experiment. In this experiment, we will be studying the two modes of this rotation of shaft. In one mode, we will be whenever we are increasing the RPM, firstly it will be achieving a single mode, and then it will be translating to another mode, and finally it will be going into a two mode. So how to operate it? Firstly, switch on the operator and increase the RPM through with the help of this knob. As you can see there, the shaft started rotating. So as the shaft is leaving its longitudinal axis and it is whirling in a given direction. So at the start of single mode, we can easily see that it starts vibrating and losing its longitudinal axis. So this is the initially starting of the first mode. So we have to measure this 1000 RPM